Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off auto brightness feature or adaptive brightness feature in realme smartphones. If you open your smartphone and it automatically decreases your overall light or brightness, how you can solve this problem. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open settings option, then swipe down. You can see there is a connection and sharing option, and then it is a wallpaper home screen. And friends, you can see there is a display and brightness option. Click on that icon, and here it is a auto brightness feature. When you just turn it off, you can customize it according to yourself. You can decrease or increase your brightness according to yourself, and when you just enable it, it will be increase or decrease according to your room lighting system. I hope you like this video. This video will help you. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.